The Indian Constitution uniqueness lies in being the world's lengthiest written constitution, a blend of rigidity and flexibility, and a fusion of federalism with unitary features, all designed to govern India's vast diversity through a parliamentary democracy with an independent judiciary, single citizenship, and fundamental rights for all citizens. India is a constitutionally secular democracy guaranteeing religious freedom and equality for all faiths with no state religion, while Saudi Arabia is an Islamic absolute monarchy where Islam is the state religion, restricting religion freedom and basing laws on Sharia, making it a theocracy. This means India fosters diverse religious practice with equal rights for minorities, whereas Saudi Arabia enforces Muslim identity and limits rights for non-Muslims and women.
Hi, I am Joseph. I came to Saudi Arabia. Thank God, finally I reached here. I want to pray. For that, I need to go to church. I am new here. To whom shall I ask? Okay, I need to ask someone. Excuse me, brother.
तुम किसको बुलाती? हमको?
हाँ तुमको ही.
बोलो क्या बात है?
ब्रदर हमारे चर्च जाना है. चर्च कहाँ है? वेयर इज चर्च?
अरे तुम क्या बात करती हो? ये सऊदी अरेबिया है, यहाँ चर्च नहीं होती, ओनली मस्जिद होती है. चलो चलो अपना काम करो.
अरे ये क्या है रे भाई? अपना इंडिया कितना अच्छा है. उधर मस्जिद है, चर्च है, सब है.
Fundamental rights vary significantly by country based on legal, cultural, and political systems, while international instruments like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights outline 30 basic rights. Their implementation is not universal. Here are examples of fundamental rights or key protection that are absent, restricted, or not recognized in various countries. For example, freedom of expression and speech. Severely restricted in countries like China, where, according to Human Rights Watch, increased repression limits assembly and speech, and in Russia, where dissenting views are suppressed.
अरे हादी, तुम हादीज है ना? तुम कब आए?
अरे ईहान, तुम यहाँ कब से है?
अरे मैं तो यहाँ पर 4-5 साल से हूँ. वैसे तुम किस लिए आए हो?
मैं यहाँ पे पैसे कमाने के वास्ते आया.
अरे क्यों आया भाई यहाँ पे? मैं चाहे परेशान हूँ, अब जाऊँ जब जाऊँ कर लूँ. यहाँ की गवर्नमेंट बहुत कुप्पा है भाई. कुछ भी ये न करो, वो न को करो, दिमाग खराब कर रहे.
कई को
फैंसुई.
अरे क्या फैंसुई भाई?
It is a crime.
कौन करे क्राइम?
According to our constitution, you can't say against our government. There is no freedom of expression in our country.
अब्बा हल्लू पकड़ो यार, और पूरी नली मत जारी. ये क्या है खाली इतना बोले तो हो गया? कहीं के चाहिए ना तुम्हारा हट मट्ठी पड़ो तुम्हारे मुंह में. हमारा इंडिया देखो कितना अच्छा है, कम से कम हमारे फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन तो है. हट तुम्हारा चाइना.
Whatever it is, now you have to spend time in jail. Idong.
अरे क्या ईदोंग भाई?
Move.
North Korea largely dispenses with fair trials, especially for political offenses, using extrajudicial detention, summary punishment by security agencies, and even executions without proper legal process, with the judiciary subservient to the state and little external oversight, leading to widespread human rights abuses where individuals disappear into political prison camps without trial, lawyers, or knowledge of charges.
아름다운 이 땅의 금수강산에 장군 할아버지가 터 잡으시고 공익인간 뜻으로 나라 세우니
Hello everyone. I came to North Korea as a tourist. Now I want to explore a new city. For that I need one local citizen. Hello, excuse me brother. Hyunjae.
Moose and eel, yeah, Hyunjae.
Brother, I want to go to another city. Will you please help me?
Anio, no, I can't help you.
But why brother? You can also explore with me.
Internal and external travel is heavily restricted. Attempting to escape, especially South Korea, is a severe crime.
अरे ये क्या है भाई? कई का नॉर्थ कोरिया? But in our India, we can move freely to any part of India. अपना इंडिया बहुत अच्छा है भाई.
Estonia has limitation on universal adult franchise, particularly for non-European Union citizens who were recently banned from local elections, impacting its large Russian-speaking minorities, though Estonian citizens have full suffrage and non-European Union residents previously had local voting rights, making it a partial denial of universal suffrage for certain groups.
हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं और मेरा दोस्त शयान एस्टोनिया घूमने आए हैं।
आधा एस्टोनिया तो घूम लिया, क्या झरने क्या पहाड़े, मेरे तो पूरे पैसे वसूल हो गए भैया।
चलो और घूमेंगे, चलो।
हाँ चलो घूमेंगे।
अरे कौन रो रहा है भाई? देखेंगे, बंदा रो रहा, जाके पूछेंगे उससे क्या हुआ।
हाँ चलो, क्या बात है, पूछेंगे।
What happened? Why you are crying? रशिया में नो क्या बोल रहे कि भाई? Will you speak in English?
I don't have voting rights.
Why brother? Why you don't have voting rights?
Though I am a citizen of this country, my voting right has denied.
But why? What is your crime?
My crime is I am a Russian language speaker.
देखो मियाँ, खाली बेचारा रशियन लैंग्वेज बात करा दो, उसको वोटिंग राइट्स नहीं है।
अरे बाप रे बाप, ये कैसा अंधा कानून है भाई? अपने इंडिया में कितने लोग कितने भाषा में बात करते, सबको बराबर वोटिंग राइट्स है। सारे जहाँ से अच्छा
हिंदुस्तान हमारा।